Hey guys, welcome to my channel once again. My name is Darren, aka the Six Figure Dad. I hope you're keeping well. So welcome to my tip of the day. Today I want to talk a little bit about self-awareness and really finding your strengths when it's coming to creating content for your perfect customer. Okay, so when you're getting started, especially, just ignore the algorithms, right? Just because they're forever changing. They really, really are. So you're not going to be able to keep up with that when you're getting started. So feel your feet. Find out who you are first before you even worry about all of the analytics and everything like that. Okay, so find out what you're happy doing, what type of content you're happy to create. Now, what are you good at? What do you enjoy doing? What do you find the easiest? Remember, this is about finding your feet in the online space. So don't be looking at everybody else and worrying about what everybody else is doing. Know what you enjoy doing and how that's going to engage with your perfect customer. Who are your perfect customers? What do they like to watch? I mean, it might be short form video. It might be long form video. Okay, it might be blogs. It might be faceless marketing. You've got to really try something first before you know whether it's right for you and for your audience or not. So if you've already got to the point of recording, say, 100 plus pieces of content on social media platforms, and it's not getting you the results that you would have hoped for, maybe it's not getting the engagement, then maybe you need to pivot and change how you're creating content. Because if it's not reaching your audience, maybe you love writing, right? Maybe you're really good at writing, and therefore it might be a good idea to try blogs. Blogging can be really good, and maybe your perfect audience and customers are going to find you on blogs because they love reading themselves. And don't forget Instagram. Okay, you can create some short form on Instagram, and then in the description you can really lay it on and tell everybody exactly what they're going to get, and like pretty much write a mini blog inside of Instagram descriptions. So that might be a really good option for you. So have a look at different options of what aligns with you and pivot if something's not working. If you've tried about 100 pieces of content and it's not getting you results, then maybe you should look at doing it another way. Don't pigeonhole yourself, is what I'm saying. There's many ways of marketing that can, just because it works for one person doesn't mean to say it's going to work for everybody, right? There's different ways of doing things, and you've got to find what's right with you, what aligns with you, and what aligns with your audience. So bear that in mind. It can be a game changer if you get it right. But yes, I understand it can be frustrating whilst you're trying to figure out what's right for you and for your audience. But really focus on finding out who you are and what works for you. Because remember, this is going to be something you're going to take into your future, and it's going to become, hopefully, a business that can change your life. So focus on getting that right from day one and pivot along the way. And when you find that way of creating content that works for you, then boom, it's all gonna take off really, really quickly. So decide what works for you, what aligns with you, what aligns with your audience, because self-awareness, know it and adapt when you have to. Don't just keep doing what you've been doing if it's not working. Make sure you change it up a little bit and try different things. Okay guys, hope that's helped. Don't forget to subscribe, click that like button and make a comment, please. Share if you could, that'd be great. But definitely subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow for tomorrow's tip of the day. Have a good day guys. See you soon.